I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair wig review for you guys. No, it is not a headband wig. It is a lace wig. Today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So we're gonna start off with some unboxing and then move on to application and then get into my thoughts. In the application process, you guys are gonna see me like cut around my ear. Some people are scared to do that. What I would recommend for you guys to do if you are cutting by your ear, I personally, if you are a beginner, you might want to cut your lace off of your head. I do have a video of how to cut lace specifically for human hair wigs, but it's the same process for synthetic wigs as well. Yeah, but I prefer to cut them on my head because a lot of times when I cut them off of my head, it doesn't go well with my hairline. So if you are a little bit, you have more experience than a beginner, I would say cut it on your head. Just make sure your hairline is out of the way. If you're cutting by your ear, make sure to lift the lace up. Don't have the lace flat on your head because you could just cut your edges off. So make sure it's lifted. Make sure it is lifted away from your face and just cut around the contour of your ear. Keep it away from your ear, keep it away from your edges. That would be my tips to cut around your ear. So I am applying this wig today with the lazy girl method. I had my blow dryer on standby because I was like, I might need it to lay this lace down. That's what I'm used to with lace wigs, but I am wearing this glueless today. Like, I can lift this whole thing up and it is flat to my head. So let's get into the application and unboxing and then come back with my thoughts. So keep on watching.
Tell me if you like me too. I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration, 'cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose, 'cause I think I like you. Tell me if you like me too. How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration, 'cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose, 'cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on.
Alright guys, so you saw the application process of this wig. To my surprise, I was reading the email and stuff and it said that the wig was glueless, but a lot of companies say that and then the lace is still flapping in the wind. So I call this the lazy girl method because I did not glue the sides down. The top was really flat and, you know, laying close to my hairline and everything without any glue. But the tabs over here were still kind of sticking up. So what I did was I just took the lace that was by my ear and I tucked it under and bobby pinned it. So nothing is glued down. This side over here, you can see the lace kind of, you know, flapping over here by the ear, but that's the only thing you have to worry about is the sides. And once you do the bobby pin method, you're good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna read the specs on this wig here. This is from the Anthony Cuts collection. He's a famous hairstylist. So this is called the Sexy Wave Wine Red Human Hair Lace Wig. And I have it in 18 inches. This is a silky texture, but it doesn't look like too silky to the point I wouldn't like it. This is a cap B. This is gonna be like a medium to large cap. And it's a lace front wig with 200% density, which I appreciate. So it's not skimpy. Yeah, it's a nice density. So this color, obviously, this is how you do like a wine red or 99J kind of color. I think it's very beautiful. This wig did come with curls already, but I had to reestablish them because it had been in a box and packaging and stuff for a while. So I had to reestablish. So I had to reestablish the curls. I use this curl wand here, this Remington curl wand. I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon. If I did, I'll link it in my Amazon storefront so you can just purchase it there. And the lace blends down very well without me using any lace tint spray or anything like that. I put some powder in my part because I do have on a black wig cap underneath. So I wanted to make the part and space stand out a little bit more. So this is gonna be very beginner friendly. It has really great lace. I'm wearing it glueless. So that takes a lot of stress off of me. So if you are a beginner to wigs, if you see RPG show in the title of the video, it's gonna be expensive. So the starting price for this wig is $400 and then it goes up. So it can be, I think this is like in the $600 range. I know that is expensive, but if you're gonna purchase anything from RPG Show or any of the higher end human hair companies that I feature on my channel, the time is now because they're gonna be having Black Friday sales and stuff like that. So if you wanna take a dip into the higher end wig companies during a Black Friday sale. And also, before you start typing complaining about the price, make sure you support the more affordable options that I put on my channel as well. Okay, it's not that much to say about it. I didn't get a lot of shedding or tangling, a few strands here and there. I did not wash this before styling this on camera because they already had it curled and I was like, why would I wash it if they already styled it for me? So this is being worn out the box right here. So yeah, so if you are interested in this wig, I will have links to where you can purchase it down below. Make sure to use the coupon codes if there are any to save some coins. Yes, RPG Show is gonna be on the higher end, so keep that in mind before going on the website and looking at the price and stuff. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Shout out to RPG Show for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to my Premiere Squad for watching this with me. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. We are on the road to 150K. We're getting closer and closer. That is the goal by the end of 2020. So make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are on. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. They will be linked down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I don't wanna fall for you, oh no, but you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard.